Mercedes-Benz will reveal a cutting-edge UI framework beginning this year, offering the two drivers and travelers its auto's new levels of connection, be it through voice, touch or regular controls. It's known as the Mercedes-Benz User Experience, or MBUX for short, and it makes a big appearance in the cutting-edge A-Class hatchback due this spring. We got our first take of gander at MBUX on Tuesday at the 2018 Consumer Electronics Show, where Mercedes Vice President Digital Vehicle and Mobility Sajjad presented the innovation. There are two vast screens, one filling in as the instrument group and alternate as the principal infotainment center point. These can be completely controlled through catches and even little touch surfaces on the directing wheel. The infotainment screen itself is a touch screen that works in indistinguishable route from a cell phone. Over this, there is a touchpad that replaces the past COMAND interface's revolving controller. MBUX additionally brings new levels of voice initiation. Various directions would now be able to be given utilizing common discourse and the initiation words "Hello Mercedes." For instance, just expressing "I'm icy" is sufficient to open up the atmosphere control. You could likewise state, for instance, "Do I require shades tomorrow in Miami?" to know whether the climate will be radiant in Miami the following day. As Khan shows in the video, interfacing with the auto should be possible as effectively as utilizing Apple's Siri or Amazon's Alexa. The voice control is likewise fit for learning. From one perspective, it adjusts to the client and his or her voice and furthermore comprehends non-local speakers better. Then again, the product models on the server learn new popular expressions or changing utilization of dialect with time. The framework likewise never again answers characteristically, however changes in the discourse yield as well. Talking about learning, MBUX additionally profits by computerized reasoning, which can after some time adjust the framework to particular clients in light of their propensities. For instance, somebody who routinely calls their mom on a specific day will be offered the recommendation later on. Or on the other hand, somebody who consistently changes to a radio station with news at a specific time additionally gets this as a proposal. What's more, if the route framework identifies a course much of the time driven route to this goal is begun out of sight and data on the course, for example, movement updates can be given. Computerized reasoning in this way bit by bit transforms the auto into an individual partner for the driver. Mercedes says a considerable lot of the screens are configurable, thus the framework remains avant-garde. Over-the-air updates will be conceivable. Clients of the Mercedes Me application likewise have greater usefulness with MBUX. A significant number of these are as yet being produced, yet we do know about new route capacities in light of car-to-infrastructure (C2X) correspondence, and in addition a vehicle finding capacity, which makes finding a stopped vehicle less demanding. The application will likewise have the capacity to message the proprietor in the event that something has caught the stopped vehicle or it has been towed away. The Mercedes Me application additionally sends a suggestion to leave on time to touch base at the following arrangement promptly, considering movement conditions.